Scientists use 3D-printed eggs to help bring back extinct birds. A Texas company has hatched live baby chickens from 3D-printed artificial eggs with titanium lattice shells and bioengineered silicone membranes. The breakthrough comes from Colossal Biosciences, the Texas-based company working to revive the woolly mammoth and the dire wolf. CEO Ben Lamb told the New York Post that 26 healthy chicks hatched from the artificial eggs and will live at the company's avian facility. Birds lack surrogate options available to mammals. Mammoths can be carried by elephants and dire wolves by dogs, but no living bird could incubate the enormous egg of a moa, a species that once stood 13 feet tall, weighed about 500 pounds, and laid eggs about 8 times larger than an emu's. To solve this, Colossal developed a fully artificial egg with a 3D-printed titanium outer shell lined with a bioengineered silicone membrane. The membrane moves oxygen the way a real eggshell does, but faster than a chicken egg would. Earlier attempts in the 1980s failed because embryos required forced oxygen, which damaged DNA and caused lifelong health problems. Colossal says the new membrane removes the need for forced oxygen delivery. Colossal tested the artificial eggs with chicken embryos, which successfully hatched naturally after development was monitored through a portal in the shell. The reusable eggs can fit commercial incubators and be resized for species like the moa. The avian reproductive toolkit has lagged behind mammalian systems for decades because birds present unique developmental challenges. The artificial egg changes that, said Dr. Beth Shapiro. The MOA project, backed by the Nai Tahu Research Center and filmmaker Peter Jackson, aims to eventually return the species to the wild in New Zealand. Lamb says the moa could return by the early or mid-2030s, while the dodo may come back within 4 or 5 years, following Colossal's success growing pigeon primordial germ cells in 2025. The company plans further testing with emu or ostrich eggs before attempting moa incubation, with Lamb hoping the technology will advance conservation and help reverse past extinctions.